Hey everyone, Tom here from the Cloven team. Here to show you a couple updates we found really exciting, and those updates are actually right behind me. It's to our homepage. A lot of cool updates, so let's dive right into it here. So I'm just gonna change my perspective. I'm looking over here at my screen here. I'll make myself a bit smaller. But yeah, so we've done a little revamp to the homepage, really trying to drive the most pertinent facts for you right to you on your homepage as soon as you log in. So looking at this, at the very top, we have things you need to be proactive about. And so when you're looking here, the two we have are annual reviews and upcoming term life renewals. So breaking each of those down, the annual reviews, of course, we of course recommend annual reviews, but also from a compliance perspective, doing the KYC once a year is absolutely something to be on your radar. And so the idea with this and the review dates that we have gives you the ability to put these in. It'll automatically cycle through, making sure that you're checking with your clients at least once a year. So you can do that as a cycle throughout the year, or you say, hey, do you know what, January, February, March, or maybe it's RSP season, so maybe it's April, May, June. You're always doing your annual reviews. It's completely up to you how you want to set this up. The system will automatically roll through it and give you those reviews as you need them. Here we have them on account level. You can see the review date, when you're expected to do it, and then a quick kind of high level, okay, what are kind of the investments that I have with each of these households. So really kind of quick facts, allow you to make quick actions based on that. Right after that, the term life policies, that kind of speaks for itself, right? So if you have a term policy that's expiring, if you have that expire in the next 6 months, it'll show up right here. Again, something to be proactive about, reaching out, making sure that they have the coverage now and going into the future. And at the very least, a conversation can be had based on that. The next row here, this is birthdays this month. This kind of speaks for itself. Some people really, really like this. Some people use this all the time. They really want to be proactive about their birthdays, just making sure they're checking in with people. Other people less so. So it's kind of up to you. And that's the last thing I'll show maybe when I get through this, how you can kind of tweak this. And then my open tasks. Again, some people really use tasks almost like a to-do list. Others, it's kind of up to them. So I'd say kind of that second row is kind of that optional. And then the third row here finally is more your analytics. So where are my active policies? If I do more insurance, I can have that. Active investments, I can have that over here too. And so that's kind of the breakdown there. But yeah, let's say, for example, that you're primarily focused on investments. You do use tasks, but you don't care about birthdays, as a very simple example. Well, the other great thing about this homepage, as it always has been with Cloven, is that you can come in here and really tweak this. So then maybe instead you want to say, okay, well, I'm going to put that up there. I'm going to take this, I'm going to make it nice and big and wide, and so I can see that there. And if you wanted to, you could even just come in here and fully delete these. Now, I'm not going to because I don't want to change this homepage, but if this was you and your CRM, your version of Cloven, you can make those tweaks, make it your own, and do what makes sense for you and your business. So that's a very quick overview. I just hit cancel to put it back. Really excited with this. We're getting a lot of good feedback. So kind of breaking it down, those 6 different boxes and what they do. Please let us know your feedback. We can't wait for you to try it, check it out, and yeah, thanks for watching.